This is the rhythm under the keyboard solo in Black Magic Woman. You're not going to find this in the tabs on Songster. This is something that I've transcribed all on my own. In fact, you're not going to find this anywhere on the web or video. I'm the only one out here who has transcribed this part of the song. So this is the place to find everything. I strive for accuracy and completeness in all my video lessons. So dig in here and learn it note for note and feel lucky that you have it. So what I'm going to do is play along with this first, and then you can take a look at my hands and see how it works, and then we'll go over it chord by chord. Okay, so there it is. Pretty much it gravitates between these two chords. It's kind of low in the mix to hear. I have the guitar a little louder so you could hear it over the recording and get a good feel for the articulation of it in this lesson. So what he did here is he moves between this chord here. We're going to bar our first finger across these four strings, 10th fret, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. Now we're not always going to hit the first one. We're going to kind of usually just hit these three for most of the song. And then our other chord is going to be here, 12th fret, 3rd finger, barring all three strings. And what happens is he gravitates between those two in this kind of funky little motion. Real sparse. Like I said, it's really hard to hear in the mix. You really have to listen in close. So our first phrase is going to go like this. And what I'm doing here is 2 strokes of the 10th fret 1, 1 12th, and then back to 2 of these. So we have, wrap it up with the 3rd strings here, the 3 strings, I should say, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, the upper strings. And a lot of these are upstrokes. You have down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 up. So that's our first phrase. The next one goes like this. One more time for that one. And what I'm doing here is downstroke here, these 3 up, these 3, and then down, up, down, and then up, down, 2 of those, and then 1 of these up. So we have 10, other 10s, 10, 12, 10, 12, 12, 10, 10, other 10, 10, 12, 10, 12, 12, 10, in this rhythm. Next phrase is going to look like this. We're going to go. Again. What we're doing here is 10, 12, 10, 10, 12, 10. Using alternate picking 10. So we have down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. So when we put all 3 phrases together, here's what we get, starting from the beginning. And then our final phrase is going to look like this. It goes, which is 10, 10, 12 upper strings. So when we put it all together, starting from the beginning, we have first phrase, second phrase, third phrase, 4th phrase. should flow just like that. I'll do that one more time for you so you can maybe write it down or get a closer look at it. We have first phrase, second phrase, third phrase, fourth phrase. And from there, it gets into the first verse rhythm, which we will go over in the next segment.